Is the Monster Octopus Shower Jelly. It says, it's fruity, it's bubbly, and it's great fun to wash with. Make it slide across the tub to start your own octopus dance too. Well, on the top here, it says, inspired by a kraken, a legendary sea monster of Scandinavian folklore. It was said to look like a giant octopus and terrorized all the sailors. Oh, I love the color. Oh. It is the same scent as the Lush Oral Pleasure Toothy Tabs and Passion Fruit Lip Balm. It's made with glycerin, fresh passion fruit infusion, that's its first ingredient, carrageenan extract, vanilla, black currant, and sweet wild orange oil. So vanilla, black currant, and orange, and passion fruit. So it's fruity. It's got 3 different fruits in there: black currant, orange, and passion fruit. And then it's got this sort of nice, subtly sweet vanilla creaminess about it. And I think it smells really nice. I don't think there's anyone who's not going to like it, because it doesn't smell fake or like, you know, it smells like candy, but in a natural way, if that makes sense. It says, how to use. Wibble and wobble the whole jelly over your body and hair for a skin softening wash. You can use it at room temperature, cool it in the fridge, or even in the freezer for the ultimate invigorating shower. And I've used it in all ways that it mentions, including frozen. Being that it has tentacles, it's easier to use than all of the other Lush jellies. It's easier to hold on to. So in that regard, I really like that. It's easier to use it as a whole piece instead of cutting it up into pieces and putting it in the soap saver or in a shower poof. So that's really nice. It's more convenient. It rinses off clean, not sticky, and it feels nice. That's what it looks like. Isn't that cool looking? Love that color, that deep, cool red color. Some of you have seen how I do use the other regular Lush jellies. I chop it into little pieces, and I put it in the sieve and put the sieve under the water, and the extra aeration from the sieve makes a nice amount of bubbles. But because it's easier to hold, the Monster Octopus, I'm just going to put the whole thing underneath the water and do it that way. And as you can see, the jellies don't make as many bubbles as the Lush bubble bars do, but they make a goodly amount of foam. I would rate Monster Octopus a 5 out of 5 rating. As far as jellies go, this is one of my favorites because it's the cutest thing I've ever seen. I love the passion fruit smell. Everything about it is nice. So, all right. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you on the next Lush Halloween 2021 product review.